How can you from zero start making thousands of dollars in 30 days? With no audience, no website, no budget for ads, and no experience whatsoever. This only works for high ticket products, and you can have access to my favorite one and my buy. And what I mean by high ticket products, let's say for example, you sell a product for $1,000, you will be getting at least $500 a commission. That's the minimum. You must pick an affiliate program that you're passionate about, and you can talk for months and months so you don't get burned out. And you only need your Facebook profile. Go to Facebook and start joining groups that are already interested in your subject or in your niche. At least join 10 of them. 5 with big sizes audience and 5 small sizes audience. Start having a conversation and start replying to people's posts. That's all you're doing, making friends. Do not send any link. We're not playing the spamming game here. We're building relationships and access. Add them as a friends and then create a Facebook page. Once you have your Facebook page, then you're going to start establish authority. Follow for more tips.